The last full supermoon of 2024 in Gemini is happening Sunday, December the 15th. The spiritual essence of this December's super cold moon revolves around the Gemini Balance, influencing introspection, renewal, and closure. It's signifying that this is a time to complete lingering projects, release unresolved emotions, and create space for the upcoming new year. Just as our fall and winter seasons are calling for conservation, this final full moon urges you to draw on inner reserves, fostering mental and emotional resilience. We will use this time to set intentions for the new year. Also, we're going to have a whimsical theme for this final super moon. Please wear your favorite onesie. Look, I've got mine on. Yes, the more creative, the better. Let's have fun with our Soulful Self Care heightened experience with this extra bonus of the last super full moon of the year. Plenty of sound medicine with the Gongs and Crystal Bowls are going to be offered during our Kundalini Yoga practice. Purging Breath Work combined with the Tonify-ing Kriya will balance and influence us within this Gemini Polarity. Utilizing the spiritual fire of the Sagittarius Sun in our meditation will create an incredibly wonderful, perfectly synchronized regulation of our nervous systems, our mental and physical health, and spiritual energy. Sunday, December the 15th, 11 to 1 p.m. Sat Nam.